I love the pool. I love being outside. I love barbecues. I love everything about summer.
An excessive heat watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 95 degrees under sunny skies. Tonight, mainly clear skies. Low 59. Winds north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday, a mainly sunny sky. High 76. Saturday night, fog developing overnight. Low 56. Here's our 7-day outlook.
We are tracking storms across parts of Kansas